Good day. Then tutor, I will talk about the topic chat I chose for this activity. By way of Maria. Hello Maria, how are you? And your visit to my country, I would like that I too know the most beautiful city in West I live, Bogota. I will take you to know some tourist place in the big park in the city, and I like the much Montserrat, the Candelaria, and the Simon Bolivar Metropolitan Park. Hill of Montserrat. Montserrat is a tourist site with religious symbol where people go from everywhere. It's located the top of the eastern eye of Bogota. We can go early and take the breakfast. We can eat chocolate and tamales that you love. We can else enjoy a wonderful view of my city. For to climb the mountain, we can walk or by cable car. Tamal with chocolate and arepa. The car of Bolivar. Other side is the Candelaria, is located in the eastern center of the city where the city was founded on 6 August 1538. First church was built. We can find the Plaza de Bolívar, which is the Simón Bolívar's statue. The Libertador is surrendered by the cathedral primates. El place of justice and the mayor's office near is the Luis Ángel Arango Library. The Museum of the 20th of July, the world and the military. We can go on the 30th Sunday of next month as the entrance to the museums is free. It will let you to some of the typical Colombian food restaurant. You can choose the own you want. I like the ajiaco is accompanied with rice and avocado. Plato and chili stew, dry paisa, coconut rice, bread jam. The Simón Bolívar Metropolitan Park. And if you like to do sport, I have the perfect place. I want you to know the Simón Bolívar Metropolitan Park is the largest in the city. Is located in the town of Teusaquillo. It is a park with many trees and a large lake in which we can take a boat ride. It has athletic track and ski road has many playgrounds for children. The idea is to arrive early so we can go through everything and to do different activity. I wait for you.